Live. Welcome everybody. Today's video we're gonna probably cover DCA, Bitcoin, rainbow chart. We're gonna look at strategies I use to DCA to find a way to get $10 a day at least to DCA into Bitcoin. I'm gonna show you a website I use, the app DoorDash I usually use, and if you instead of drinking, you know, take this money, put it into Bitcoin, and use your cigarette money, put it into Bitcoin, and you see the benefit of doing so. Now, this is the model of the year. For $10 a day, right? Over 3 years, you would save $28,000 in Bitcoin. Now, if you would do that in just fiat, in just your local currency, it would just be $10,000. See, so being able to put $10 a day to give you 28,000 over a period of 3 years, that's a big that's a good thing. That's really amazing. And this is, by the way, this is just with the Bitcoin price drop like six over 60%. So yeah, this is a really amazing thing. I have other things to go over through. I have to go over you know the hash rate, the difficulty. I predicted it would drop, so it actually dropped. So I still see the difficulty dropping lower because I can smell miners going out of business because if the price stays at this level for quite a bit, like quite a long time, you may see like more miners going out of business. And this is, by the way, this is a feature. This is not a bug. This is how Bitcoin works. You have like the most efficient stay alive, and any businesses, any miner who can't compete, they have to go out of business. This is the way. That's the way it is. So, but most importantly, I'm gonna go over the mempool as well. We can see uh, the mempool. It's still minting block, right? The Bitcoin network still working. Every 10 minutes, you get a new block. The most uh, the most recent one was at 746465, and we're gonna look at also. I wanted to show you guys this website that's basically uh, what was that? It was I want to show you guys the Wobosat. So Wobosat built on top of Lightning, allowing you to make transactions, buy Bitcoin over Lightning for basically like really cheap, and like it's like a decentralized exchange on top of Lightning. This is amazing. I mean, no KYC, right? It's like look at it like Strike, but without like Strike. See, so it's really amazing. Um, I mean, if you care about your privacy and like I know some people are in like places they care about their privacy, and so it's really easy. You just you got it on Tor, and you just make a transaction. Say you place your order, right? You can use whatever your currency, right? The currency you want to use, and you select it, and then you put your amount, right? If you want to buy, right? You just buy, and then you put the amount, like so once you put the amount, and then you choose the method, right? If it's PayPal, I don't know if it's you can choose PayPal, or yeah, all the other type of payment too. So Yeah, you have Revolut, right? There's Alipay. There's so many other payment methods you can choose, right? Um, and then you get even e-transfer. Depending on the place, they may not you may not be able to e-transfer, but yeah. I mean, so those are exist. The most important thing is the fact that this is exist. You can do it. Really, really amazing. So, yeah, I just wanted to go over this. And another amazing website I went over as well was Stackers News. Um, so Stackers News is like it's like a website you can go post, you know, do some. You can go and posting and they pay you. If somebody find what you post have some value, then they pay you satoshis. Really amazing, amazing. So I love it. And like you have other those website like Twitter and so many websites like Facebook, and you go there, you spend so much time and whatever you coming out of your mind, you express, you put value on the platform, and they kick you out anytime they want. You are a slave of the platform. But in Bitcoin and on Lightning, it's different, right? You become the owner of your own data. So yeah, I really love it. Value for value technology. So really amazing. And again, guys, you could if you wanna send me some sats, you can. Of course, if you love my content, if you love the style of my videos, if you want to support my work, I put the link for my Satoshi address. Basically, it's a fountain.fm I'm using right now. I may use other links, but fountain.fm, let's say you have fountain, and you just click on the link, and they will bring you to that fountain where you can simply just pay with sats. So send your sats very privately. Right, so amazing. Um, I would have to set up BTC Pay sometime, but yeah, for now let's use Fountain.fm. This is a hash rate of a year, so I use this website now. Um, it's good to change website sometime. So yeah, this is the hash rate of a year. Um, amazing. Um, so let me go over this again, and new blocks being minted. And this is a nice hash. As you know, guys, a few days ago um, the I set up the Bitcoin miner, right, with you guys. So the Bitcoin miner, the S9J, I set up the other day was it's actually I'm using the Nicehash pool so to mine, and I've been running it for like a few days. Not I don't really keep it running all day, so I just put it on, and then the wife is like, "Shut it off! It's too noisy." Like it's really crazy noisy and makes a lot of noise. So I had to shut it off, and I only turn it on when I'm going out in the weekend. So yeah, that's why you can see I only mine like for like 1,115 sats already. So yeah, which is equivalent to 24 cents. Really, really, really small. So yeah, it is what it is. So that's what I have been getting from the miner. And the way I just set it up, and you just create a nice hash account, right? And then you go and basically uh, download a miner, right? You can just add a miner and then you click on what's your miner, right? If it's a ASIC miner, and then you click on you go look for uh, your uh, your miner type. So mine was S9J 8 miner. Yeah, again, it's really not profitable. This is I'm just doing this for fun, right? So you to be in order to be profitable, you would have to, have like a S19, right, at least, and you would need just to avoid trouble with your partner. It's better to get like a miner that's more like coolant miner that have water cooling, right? Or maybe I don't know, some type of cooling that does not require the fan to keep moving so brutal or make so much noise. So I see they use like some liquid in the miners now, so makes it like running smooth, no noise. So if you would find something like that, it would be so much more advantageous than having to make so much noise with the S19. So yeah, this miner I'll keep it for now S9, just in case. You never know in the future. I think every house will need have a Bitcoin miner. Let's say yes, sorry guys. It's good to have a miner. I mean, look at like the same way you need a node in your house, right? You need a Bitcoin node. You need a Bitcoin miner. So just in case, just in case, let's say 99% of the network, stop, and then they want you to use certain, do something, you want to pass your transaction, you can use your miner to do that, right? So yeah, that's a worst case scenario, but I mean, just for fun, I just keep one. Even though in the future I may need to use it for the business type. So and then yeah, so you choose the ASIC and you choose the like yeah, you don't have to put in any name now. You just go on the algorithm, which is Charter 56, and then they will give you uh, the name, right? So of a year, then we'll copy that, and then you will put it on the website. Basically on 8miner, you will look for your the IP address and all that. I'll make a video specifically for that to explain that specifically. This is I just pass on this. But most importantly, I just wanted to show you guys the revenue. That's very minimal. It's very small. So I mean, doing mining, it's really not profitable. Like especially if you're using S9, right? So I just wanted to throw this out there, and this is just for fun, right? So and let's go back to DCI. So yeah, guys, is like using small strategy to DCA $10 a day. Ignore the price volatility, as you can see over here. And I was shocked this morning. I was looking at this, and you see where we are right now. At this level, and this chart says, I mean, if it come true, I mean, a lot of models breaks these days. Most models are getting broken. So and you have this chart that says in the year of 2020, like at the end like of 2023, um at the end of 2023, $95,000 will be still cheap for Bitcoin. Think about it. $95,000 will be still cheap at the end of 2023. Just just next year, right? Just next year. So like 95,000 will be still cheap. Think about that. So yeah, guys, long term, and at the beginning of 2024, right, 100,000, 107,000 will be still cheap. So right, look at it, think about it. So and in mid in the first quarter of 2025, right, 159,000 will be still cheap. But I think at the time, like, I don't know. I think, there's gonna be a lot of volatility. Price gonna go up and down, very, very brutal, high volatility. It's all about like how do you psychologically get ready for this and understand what you hold. It's like so many people will sell too early. They will get like we're gonna drop like will like break to the upside like 200,000. They think um it's a last level, and then it drop to 100,000. They think they lose everything, and then the Bitcoin price go all the way up to like 500,000, right? So if you it goes to 200, you sell, and then you come back, right? And then you forget to buy, and then it went all the way up to 500,000, right? It's you still gonna look like a loser, right? So that's why you have to understand this is a really long term game game. So to win, you have to look at it like how can you like save like for 5, 10 years, like so it's really what it is. So, and this is the model for like for 5 years, $10 a day. That's like 79,000, right? How many people can save $79,000? Right? Think about it. So, yeah, I just wanted to throw this out there. Did I cover everything? Let's go over the price. This is just the price of a year. Price is distraction. I don't really pay too much attention, and these are all noises. When you look at the market, like the financial market, the system is really in the brink of failing. You know, like banks shutting people's account. Some countries, and some countries are just in complete collapse, and you have like Fed are raising rates. They are not, and they are just doing backdoor bond purchasing, unlimited. Like it's crazy stuff, and so many people out there are still listening to these clowns and just give them credibility they don't deserve. It's like yeah, I just it's like and then so many of those YouTubers and reinforcing the system by just watching those people like every time you see those YouTubers, even in crypto or Bitcoin, they are reinforcing, giving those people more and more power by just listening to them, watching them, and look at them, or pay attention to them. Like it's like why? Why you have to do that? You don't have to. So I just find it remarkable, and this is why I create this channel, guys, to keep you guys just stay away from those distractions. Every single thing now, like you turn on YouTube, like look at how many distractions. Like they they throw a bunch of distraction, polluted information and polluted videos on you to just keep you down, keep you away from the truth. So yeah, guys, just do as much as you can to just stay away from those and focus on the signal, right? Focus on the signal and where this thing is going, right? And in 20, like the next bubble, right? Right, the next bubble is about 500,000, 500,000, 560 or 500 um 40 around 440,000, right? Can it be both with the yeah, and that's just like what's a year? It's not far. It's like it's just like it's 500,000. That's like 2024. So yeah, I mean like it's just like stay away from the noise and look at the signal. And I'm not sure. This may not be right. This may be a false. This may be a bad model. I mean, look at the model, but the model didn't, touch the top. Right, this cycle yet. Not yet. I mean, we just maybe halfway of the cycle. Right? People, this is the thing, right? We're still halfway. We're not even like all the way there yet. So yeah, I just wanted to throw this out there and keep on, watching my video, watching like really good informational video. Keep on educating yourself. Learn about the Lightning Network. Just don't get distracted uh, by those cryptos and those YouTubers. They're gonna get you wrecked and they laugh at you. They are not really your friend. They are not helping you. They are just helping themselves. Because think about it, the system is falling, right? The system is collapsing. So those people, they're gonna try to get you down with them, right? Because they have to save themselves and their family. They have somebody give them $10,000 to sell you a scam. They're gonna do it, right? They don't have value. Um they don't have value. All the value is thrown out of the window. That's what I'm trying to say. It's like the people, they don't have like character. So because any little money will get them to sell their character, right? So, anyways, guys, I'm just gonna leave it here. I hope you enjoy. I will see you again. This was Spy Cover.